been a rough and tumble conference for rain or shine, and they entered this, their penultimate game today, and their last.
Because he's really relying on 5 basic players who are averaging at least 30 minutes a game.
Okay, we are underway in the quarter.
Jacket at papasok na. Return of the comeback, the Kraken.
Kanina nakita ko yung kanyang girlfriend, si Ariel Patnongon. Sabi ko, uy, lalaro na? Oo naman, sabi niya. As our clock comes down to 8 minutes here in the second.
Here's Junmar, nakawala. There's the shot by Junmar Fajardo. Got away for Norbert Torres. Welcome back, Junmar.
Of Junmar.
That one-handed shot got 16 points in that game against Meralco.
Lassiter, yes! Drains the 3, and we're to Painters. After that 3 by my guess. Here's Junmar battling for the rebound. Suddenly, parang ang liit ni Torres sa tabi ni Fajardo.
Import ng rain or shine, still planted on the bench.
Ayan si Junmar.
Si Junmar ang pinalitan ni Christian. And I think they're really going to manage his minutes. So.
For Watson.
Well, getting extended minutes. Wala nga si Chris Ross. Hindi na binalik ni Coach.
Junmar, familiar move, no. Too steep on that shot.
So Junmar pinalitan ni Christian.
14 on the shot.
Region says one more. Not anymore, and that'll do it for this game. A win by the Beermen, 109 to 97.